ammo. Well, thanks for the re-up. Try that again! I dare you! How's it feel to be in the eye of the storm? Back to the pound for you! As long as you keep dying, I'll keep shooting. Fry him up, Sparky!
Now beyond doubt that your actions pose a threat to the work of Group 935. Your treachery leaves me no option but to take steps to ensure your termination. Even if it means the destruction of the castle itself.
I've seen this in action before. Hate to see what it can do all powered up.
Launch protocol initiated. 30 seconds to impact. You're reading multiple rocket launches. What have you done? You
It'll get real messy if I run out of bullets.
Even the destruction of this facility and my own death will not prevent the advancement of our cause. You have stopped nothing.
We don't need the moon, right? Nothing bad could come from that.
The road is long and dark, but I know where we are going. We will complete our mission.
He's still alive. I fucking hope so.
This subject will one day wreak havoc across the entire universe. He cannot be allowed to live.
This wasn't how it was supposed to go. We were supposed to secure the package and be in and out clean. Instead, the whole thing's been one disaster after another. I should never have trusted you, Richthofen. Never!
You should trust me, Dempsey. You all should. This artifact has the power to contain and preserve the subject's soul. Your soul. But it can only be done after the moment of death. Just as you saw me do to my other self. It is the only way.
Wait! If someone's gotta take him out to save the universe, then it should be me that does it. Good to see you, Tank. Party's over, boys. I'm fresh out of ammo.